What they gonna do?
As long as you're playing in my head, I focus. Whatever you say, I'm honest. I couldn't care less as long as you're true leader.
But what up in life, my team? When I deal with good morning, my ladies. Boy, I'm early to them, I know the most I wonder. You get in the Friday spirit, my team.
Every single dollar and your last few cents, and I will too. And I mean it. Tell me, where do we go from here? Can't feel it in the air. I'm close, dreaming everywhere. I'm honest.
For what I feel like, no
Is your playing in my head? I'm focused. Whatever you say,
I'm honest.
I couldn't care less
As long as you're.
burning.
But what up in life, my team? So what you done?
I'm burning.
So what you?
Letting it burn, letting it burn. I can't feel it in the air. I'm close, dripping everywhere.
As long as you're right here. But what up in life, my team? Ooh.
If they gleam in the sun while they spin, they spin on my truck. I could remember. And if it came in the no, in the darkness, I could remember. And if it dripped from my wrist, and it looked like it shine like moving, I could remember. But oh yeah,
I forgot to be a lover.
if it wasn't for the time of five doubled up overtime, then I could remember. If it wasn't for the Sunday All-Star Weekend game, girl, I could remember. And if it wasn't for the dough, the Jesus show, girl, you know that I could remember. But still in me, oh,
Tell me how will I never forget to be yours. But what up in life?
spend my life in
Boy. Chat. Be a little mix up of one for interrupt a little vibes. Hey team, I'm gonna tell you the truth. How what up in life and repost the live before I start reason with you know my team. Please and thanks. But what up in life before I start reason with you know team.
If they gleam in the sun while they spin, they spin on my truck, then I could remember.
But what up in life, my ladies?
No, in the darkness.
I could remember.
And if they check from my wrist and it looked like it shine like moving,
I could remember.
but oh yeah,
I forgot you.
If it wasn't for the time of five double up overtime, then
I could remember. Team, we want to do some different thing for our life. Yes, what I say? We want to It's like, me no know. There's no way me and somebody can have something. Yes, what me I say? And it's like me make the internet define like what me have going on. Let me tell you what I learn about the internet. The internet is very biased. And if you search for the internet to give you a right about anything, you fight a losing battle. Because remember, say you fight with some people with mixed opinion, all kind of opinion. And when you're a public figure, when you're a content creator and them little thing, they have a whole heap of people dislike you. An artist too. You see what I say? Mere to the fact that there's a lot of competition out there, people. There's a lot of competition out there, and everybody have them favorite. And you see, even if the other opposing person who you are arguing with isn't them favorite, me can tell them, I say, them I go pick for them side. Because when somebody don't like you, no matter what you do, them just cannot see the right in a way you do. You see what I say? No matter what, you have some people really will split justice and say, you know, say the dog right, or you know, say that girl you're right, or you know, say that person you're right, for what them must say. But no matter what you think about in yourself, them nah go split the justice, or them nah go talk the truth. And then remember, so we live in a country like Jamaica. There's a lot of hypocrites here. You see what I say? There's a lot of hypocrites here. So, you see, and me be honest with you. The reason why I don't see me play with Jamaican people, or God bless if I do, is like them take it too far. You see, alright, even the foreign people them troll, you know, bro. Don't get me wrong, you know. Even the foreign people them troll, brother. But the Jamaicans them, they take it too personal and far. When a man pray, a man say, yo, you go dead if you do this. A man, them a rake up information for you. Me say, them dig up all people care who depend life insurance, who now work, people credit score. These are personal shit. Here's what I say. And it's not like say you know I hit it where they hurt it most. But bro, I want to know, take a page out of the Americans them book. Bro, you see when the Americans them are the other rank of them in the Caribbean, them not good with one another. They not come on screen with them one another, and if they do troll, if them not good with them one another, them prefer not come on screen with them. Or then just hold them post and the other person hold them post. You know see American or nobody over Guyana, or nobody over Trinidad. I rake up people personal business while your credit score, or live off of welfare, the people in medical condition. Bro, it's not right. Believe me, it's not right, bro. You see, if you're somebody in a chatting, you chatting, your head big, your mouth stink, your foot black, your toe black, your ears stink, your eyes stink, your mouth stink, you understand? Make it go that far. But when you not go dig up people personal business and talk about people pitney and bro, I feel like some of them things is just too fucking far. I don't know if you remember say people have feelings. Yes, what I say? So you know go stay so boom and go tell a man say yo, him pitney that pick out or him pitney foot dirty. Bro, that hit a man hard the most, you know, bro. Me is not a father. So, me can't, it hurt me and me is not a father. Imagine the father for that child. I really love that child, how that child supposed to be loved. Sometimes we as Jamaican, me think say we can cuss and we can troll. But sometimes I feel like we take this thing way too far, brother. Yes, what I say? When you go find all the people in mother, Where the people in mother used to do, say up front, them used to sell back then. Bro, these are personal stuff. And then you want somebody to argue, and then you get people, family member involved. You get these people you involved. You call and I say, yo, how much rifle you gonna live for? Bro, listen to me. Sometimes we have to remember say the internet are the internet. You know what I say? If a badness someone we want to do, we go fight, we go in our community and live up to the thing and go fight for our community. You see it? The people take stuff way too far. And sometimes I sit down and I listen to them, you know. You see me, I say, don't get me wrong, sometimes I sit down and I listen. It's like, all me have to just step on and like, wow, this shit is deep. And then you feel like, say, when you bring down somebody family or you bring down somebody child or you bring down somebody to the ground and I say, yo, what them used to welfare, what them a live off of this and that and all of them something. And when I sit down and I listen to them thing there, imagine how the person them feel. And you think it's fair for people? Bro, we can have a little fun on the app. Me I tell you people, we can have a little fun on the app without have to just get up and I bring down one another, bro. Even if we do I bring down one another, why you guys digging up personal shit? Why? All I can say, God go with you. That's what I say. I mean not just talk to Uno like that. When I see Rose come cuss certain way, I sit down and I talk. I not even talk to her, I cuss her feet, ask her. I say, my girl, even if you are cussy people, you have to know what I say. You see what I say? Ask her if I not tell her. Me not like it. Me not like it. And you know what I can understand? This a man here tell yourself you go suck out your mama on screen today and tell you say anytime him catch him how much shot him I go fling in at you. And tomorrow I will know again that on the screen. And it wasn't even a joke thing. The two people in a high temper. Me watch that already in a high temper. And you jump up on the same screen with the man. The next day. People, some my man them too don't have morals and values here. And don't make some man or some woman style on brother. I wanna feel like say yo it's okay. Here's what me I say. We have WhatsApp. We have WhatsApp. So you see if certain thing you call me on my WhatsApp. You see it? Call me on WhatsApp and tell me how you feel. Blood clot. We're afraid to call all on WhatsApp now. Cause a pure recording a true. Chad, the people them not even call for WhatsApp again. Cause I thought them start recording to blood clot. Boy, all I can tell you know, and lesson was learned. Here's what I say, I've learned my lesson as well in the same kind of predicament. Just be careful of people. You understand what I say? My people, just be careful of people. That's all I can tell you. Everything is for social media now. Nothing is like, I not even want to say push under the rug, because when your problem them come, you can't push them under the rug or cast them away. Them will always catch up back on you. But I feel like say there's a better decent manner where people can do things off here. Yes, what I say, there's a different and more decent manner where people can do things off here. Me is no perfect, you know, but I know how my loyalty stand with people, bro. Yes, what I say, Yeah, charging me is not perfect, people, but me can't. Sometimes I can't fit my hand through it, bro. For where some people deal with people over here, so. Me the business what them want to say about me, not pure like them true. So me not really look on them. But when I see them to other people it and them thing there. So now, if me get a picnic, how soon I go do it? Support tomorrow morning New Year's a rose and breed. Now in a year. No found a customer if not even want to post my picnic over here. But if me I go sit down and listen, draw my little daughter, draw my little son left to right. It's only naturally new, man. It a go trigger me. It a go trigger me, man. And why? I found you want me be triggered. You see it, but I feel like say if we have more respect for the people, and then I tell you with Jamaican people, to Jamaican people always think say yo, them have a word named satisfy. But you see when the sky is the limit, yes, when the sky is the limit, satisfaction is not in the vocabulary. We always a push for greatness, we always want more. Only way we satisfy with the outcome of something. But the sky is the limit. That's when me I say, and people feel like say, yo, if you're there saying if you make $1 million, if you make $2 million, if you make $3 million, you can go on and want to give somebody else a chance to make $1 million and $2 million. But 1 to 2 and 3 years down the line, it have to always be, listen to me, my people, I talk to my Jamaican people with ambition. So when you have ambition and I eat people kill you for in a Jamaica, the ambition we people have, it costs bad mind and make a whole heap of people drop out down here. You see what I say? Ambition is a thing, bro. People kill you for your ambition where you have. You see what I say? Yes, when you always want to build yourself and do more and be somebody in a life, people tend to blaspheme it and shun it away. You see what I say? When you always want to do better and do more in a life, people shun it away. Alright then, I'm going to use me a rose as an example. Them see me a rose there. And we are flourish. Come on, read that. Alright. No, don't put it up anymore. That's it. When me that say to you, say, you know, the sky is a limit, bro. You see people with ambition, and them have to be careful in Jamaica. That's what I say, because you have a lot of non-ambitious people, bro. You see it? For instance, me a roasting. I'm going to say I'm going to use me a roasting as an example. You know much people, they put, yeah, man, you know, satisfy now, you know, get enough now, this and that. You not hate me because me I make rose happy and them look a thing there. You hate me because you think say yo me I get too successful after what me I do. And that way we pies we pitney them mind into, bro. When them a build themselves, you know teach them to satisfy. You see, yes, satisfy with what you have, yes. But you know teach them to say, yo, yeah man, you know less on yourself and be nickel on yourself and satisfy for that little you. Don't satisfy for less, bro. Always satisfy for more. I don't need to learn that, bro. When you can teach you that, bro, it'll go be way better in a life. Always satisfy for more. Don't satisfy for less. You see what I say? If you put in your work and somebody call you and say, me I give $100,000 for come on the stage when you know you charge $150. $150 you charge. You see what me I say? A 150 a charge, and if him come and say me have 130, don't shun him way. Don't shun them way. Cause you know what we not go leave? We not go leave $1 on the table. We not go leave $1 and turn on the table. Because every mickle make a muckle, and more we go in our life, we are gonna always push. You see what I say? The further we go in our life, we are gonna always push. As I tell my people, the sky is the fucking limit. Don't make nobody be nickel and say, yo, satisfy for the little. More is best. Push. Tell yourself say you can do it, bro. Never, I couldn't have my daughter or son and tell him say, yo, satisfy for less. If me come here, I'm there, I'm showing something. And when the woman them a tell them daughter say them want a successful man, and them look at thing down, okay, cause the woman for tell them daughter that. Cause put yourself in my shoes. You don't want your daughter there with a worthless man where she have your dip in her pocket to make sure say him good. No, don't want that. Cause most of we grow up come say man and mine woman. You have to understand the trait of life. Understand the trait of life, bro. Calm me down. Man, I tell my people and say, don't settle for less. That's what I say. Thank you so much. All I tell my people and say, don't settle for less. And when you don't settle for less and your ambition is to the sky, it will bring a whole heap of bad mind and envy and a whole heap of tension towards you. That's what I say. Never tell people your belly, never tell people how much money you have. Jamaica, where we live in, it's better we keep most of what we have to ourselves. That's what I say. And we have to remember, say, every friend have a friend. And sometimes we are raised with some people, you know. And it's like sometimes we are raised and get out to even remember who we are talking to. We have to be careful in this society where we live, brother. We have to be careful in this society where we live, bro. Cause these people will analyze your fear ambition. Believe me, these people will analyze your fear ambition. More people be extra careful in anything them want, in anything them do. That's what I say. No for who can learn from people mistake, because when we wait for our mistake for make, sometimes it's too late. Yes, what I say. When we wait for we for make our own mistake them, sometimes it's too late, and some of our mistake cost our life or cost our whole heap of time in a jail. So most of our life and most of the purpose of our have them run right past we, because we in a shackles or we there under the dirt. Yes, what I say. We have to know, we have to live life by code. That's what I say. I tell you my people. They feel like I couldn't come here and see some people like this. I say, go suck out back your mother and but all that benefit me. When me looking at it, I see some man I tell me something, go suck out my mother and then I continue. All that benefit me. Pussy or this or that. All that benefit me. 99 or 95% of them people here were beat against you, bro. You never go run part, you never go cross part with them in a life. You never go talk to them in a life. None of them thing there. You're not go ever in a relationship with them ever in a life. So it even makes sense. Yes, what I say? It even makes sense to argue with them people here, bro. It don't even make sense, bro. Sometimes you have to keep your eye on the price, brother, and see what's up with them. I'ma show you what I see. I'ma tell you no I'ma tell you no way. I'ma show you say a bad mind everything stem from. Tell me if I lie, me I tell, and tell me if I hate people, hate you. Me see man over here where I play a match. You hear me? Me say man over here play a match, and when they look on the screen and see say they not get nothing, they start cussing people in. They start throw out off a jail, then I figure it out, you hear them. I want to the pussy. Them start throw out off of me. They start throw out off of some man where they say I get little kind. Yes, what me I say? Say you hear them, you know, and them start throw out off a rose. Me hear them now. Just throw them a throw out off a rose. Just throw me no big and fat. And I tell this and that, you not give me no kind. Eh? Just throw me no name sister girl, you not give me no kind. Just throw me no that, you not give me no kind. Eh? Woman and man, me see do it over here. So there's no way 80 people them hate you based off a personality. Them just hate you for a little kind where you make. Whole heap of time I pass life and see it, bro. Then now get where them forget them dead there. And them a do them thing and they still 1,000 kind on their screen and they not satisfied. And they start cursing people them. Tell me, I tell you, Chargy. I them thing they didn't do, brother. Them thing they didn't do, bro. You see it? I them thing they I'ma stay so boom, I'ma sit down, I'ma watch. I mean I say, yo, you know so them people are really not here to, bro. I just look at 2 pence sake where. Then see maybe we stay so boom and accumulate, bro. And see say, yo, the blessing kinda flow. And every time them do them thing there. You see some of them true color, bro. As they see a little man start make little kind over here, even if the man there and dip on him live, a DJ out him live, then start this
Cause
when me and Rose just start mess around and before we dead there and them little thing there. How was we over here, bro? How was we sit down over here with people them text with day in, we can't sleep, Akim, we can't this one here, we can't that. How was we with people them sit down over here from? You see what me I say? When you look at people when them a go work, when the people them a go work, see them here, watch them when them a go work. I will all in handbag all drive in a car. All in a train station, enough of them sit down in a train station. Sit down in their book, so. When you look them, if you take back a chain, we come back round just to come and work. How will you for them complain they will get? Only for them complain they will get, my people.
What's good, motherfucker?
I'm here, bro. What's poppin'?
You battling or what? I just got on. I don't know what I got. I want to test it out. I want to test the theory out. I'm number 45, though. I've been ranked all day, though. Number 45, though. 4th of July, I got a big motion party. What? Say something dumb. I dare you to. Say something dumb.
Goofy. This nigga is broke as hell.
Oh, really?
And be talking to me?
Oh, really? Start the fucking match in my first game, Goofy. Let's go.
Bro, let's do a 6.
First to 6?
Yes, bro. No, I'm gonna do it's 6 game. I'm gonna win all of it.
No, let's do first to 3. That's what y'all do in Jamaica, 6?
Yeah.
No, motherfucker, we do first to 3. You're my first. All right, this gonna be a series, chat. This gonna be a series, first to 3 right now, chat.
Bro, nigga. Bro, repost
Gary, let's go. He said,
no, nigga. Please,
chat, let's go. Chat, we do it with Akeem. Akeem, me having hella fucking smoke. Show the fuck out, chat.
Go again, man.
Freaky Friday. Let's see if last night rubbed on to today. I got my brother with me. My brother came to Miami, oh God. My brother came to Miami, chat. First gift triples, y'all. Let's go. First gift. Kima, Barry. We're not gonna let him beat us 3 games in a row.
Use a triple team.
He's gonna just be talking shit the whole fucking time with his big ass hat on. First gift, chat, go.
First gift.
No power ups. Double tap. J-Can, thank you. It's our first match, it's okay. We're just getting on. Let my team slowly walk through this motherfucker, chat. Let them slowly walk through. Thank you, Mop Clips. Thank you, Chill Chin. Hey, Michelle. Bro, it's our first one, dude. Chill out. It's our first one. Big ass hat. Big ass blue hat. The fuck? Jit hat. Big as fuck. The fuck is that? A size 10? God damn. Nigga could fit dreads under that motherfucker. You could have put that shit over some dreads and the motherfuckers would fit. Michael. Boy got a big ass hat and a little ass head. Let's go, chat. Turn me up. Untouchable. I'm gonna smoke him today. Today's the day. Hey, Mika.
It's crazy how you be losing and still talking. It's crazy how you be losing
and still talking. I'm gonna see you in a couple months, Akeem. I'm going back to Jamaica, dude. I know. Kima. Let's go. Kimanda, thank you. Chat, everyone do a rose and let's match galaxies and catch up to him, alright? Let's go. Don't worry about him, chat. Focus. Let's go.
News of this, news of this. You can't even get this speed.
Happy Friday! Let's go, we catch up to him. Hannah, thank you. Ava, thank you.
Go.
Yeah, Swiss, what it is? Swiss, we're fucking Jamaica in October. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Bow Beastie. Chat, everything is doubles. Everything is doubles, chat.
Go up on the triple, my team. Go up on the triple. Go up on the triple, my team. Go up on the triple.
Yes, chat. Mara!
Go, my team. Go, my team. Go, my team.
What a freaking day! Mara! Up in chat, up in.
Snipe, team. Snipe.
Wait till my chat starts walking in today.
Snipe team.
Mara!
Snipe him, repost my life and share my life.
Go, chat, go. Somebody else, up the score. Snipe the double. Oh
Thank
shit,
you,
we're gonna
no.
win this game.
How
Do
that-
we have gloves in here? And it's our first match? Alright. Wait till my team walks in too. You're fucked. Move your fucking bumper clock, dude.
Thank you for your respect. Yeah.
Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. What this? Oh, hell to the no. Go to web. What the fuck? Hell to
What
the
up in
no. Yo, they waxing, kid. Chat, everyone double tap. Yo, Akeem. Yo, this dude's eating on my points. Yo, I know you fucking lying, bruh. This motherfucker's eating breakfast on my coins.
Bro, you broke as hell.
Yo, that's crazy. Sierra, he got egg. He got what is it called?
Sardines.
Oh, yeah, he got a bunch of shit. There's a bunch of shit on that plate right now.
My protein, you moron.
Let's go. Shit, more than we ate this morning, nigga. You ate McDonald's? That's all you hit? Oh, I didn't hit shit either. I didn't eat either today. Glenny's, thank you, chat. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Everyone go, 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 go. Everyone snipe. If you can't snipe, it's okay. Tap the screen. If you cannot snipe, it's okay. Let's get 20K likes, chat. Happy Friday! Thugger and go up again. Chat, repost, taps and shares. If you cannot drop, it's okay. Tap the screen. Baby, on me, baby, gonna show me, baby. Pull up and pour it. I'm gonna go there, you know it. I got gold on my rolling, and I wear right like a boy. I look like a dog on my nut. I know I'm a winner like fly. Yo, he warm all shit. Thank you so much, Mara. Mara, deadass, thank you so much, love. Mara dropped our first gallywag of the day. Thank you so much, Mara. Thank you, Kay, Leisha. These could be good ass battles. He has hella smoke. He's a big streamer. For y'all that don't know, he's a big ass streamer in Jamaica. This nigga's, you feel me? He's a big ass streamer. So yeah, he's in Jamaica. A lot of them are watching. Let's put on so when we go to Jamaica, I can brag about how he's whooping motherfucking person's ass. You feel me? Kay, thank you. Leisha, thank you. Michelle, Kimanda, Val, Crystal, Basky, Sierra, Ava.
Everybody will support your life. Who get gloves?
Let's go. Bro, no gloves, bro. Fuck that.
Aries, you get the gloves.
Let's do no gloves, bro.
Okay, no gloves. I win you naturally, of course.
Let's do no gloves. Fuck that. Let's go. He got a 5-piece, exactly. And the steppers are walking in. As soon as we start getting them steppers to match them goddamn freaking galaxies and whales, chat, it's over with.
First triple, my lady. First triple.
First gift triple, chat. First gift is ×3. Outrageous! Thank you for the hide and seek. Oh my god, you see they're starting to play now. I'm telling you, this could be a good one, chat. Thank you, chat. Hey, Kiana. He got an interstellar on triple. He got an interstellar. Chat, go,
Go, my ladies, go.
Where you
We have people
at?
help my team. We have, like yesterday, couple do this like teamwork.
Galaxy gang, where you at? Oh, you at the beach?
Yeah, what's the word?
When you coming to my house?
Come on! Starting tonight, I'm gonna leave at like 7. Come on!
What up, boy? Y'all boys, what y'all boys on like that?
Nigga, live tonight, Young Thug, live.
He said, live tonight, Young Thug. Yo, we was just listening to him right now. Look, we was just listening to him right now.
I'm saying, yo, you should be at live.
No, I'm not going to the club for no other.
Nigga, 4th of July Eve, car.
I'm not going to the club, bro. I can't afford it.
Yeah, why not, bro? Niggas like can't afford it.
No, they don't like this. Yo. Let's go, chat. Yo, people in Miami talk so reckless. You see how they talk? Like people in Miami just talk like.
What did he say at the end?
He just is crazy, bro. He's crazy. He's a crazy kid. Hey, all his friends. Let's go, chat. Everybody on doubles. Stop sharing repos. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking like yesterday, chat. I might need to come back on it tonight and see what's up. 7 roses.
This is looking like
7 roses, chat. Oh, there we go. Goodness and mercy. Yes, have mercy on my soul, chat. Let me get 5 roses. Chat, it's from 5 individual people. We need it from 5 individual. Hey! Hey! Oh, hell no. We are not starting Freaky Friday like that, bro. I am not starting Freaky Friday like that. No, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. No, bro. G shit, bro. No, chat. No, bro. No. I don't know. Why are we sniping the speed? Like, why? Like, why are we waiting to the last second? Like, why? Why are we trying to snipe the speed to get it? Just send the roses, chat. Don't wait for it to run out. Let's send it together. We play this, chat. We know how it goes. Don't wait, because then we get so close. That's what hurts. We get so close. I'd rather be farther. Like, I'd rather not get it. You feel me? I'd rather get 0 than get 6. Like, that's too close to 7. We might as well have got the 7. You feel me? We need to be on point for the speech, chat. And a lot of y'all might not know this. It might be confusing, chat. When it says a certain amount of roses, usually, by the way, it's asking for individual. I know that's probably what it was. Y'all got confused because y'all saw somebody send 10 roses, so y'all thought. So I could understand. But the thing is, chat, it's 7 individual people.
Thank you.
It's confusing, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Don't worry. I love y'all. Don't worry, chat. W, goodness and mercy. Yeah, it switches sometimes. Sometimes it switches to an actual gift. Like, you feel me? But it's all good. Chat, let's recharge, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Do we have a glove? I know I said no glove, but fuck that. Do we have a glove? Because I know y'all wanted that speed, chat. Hit that follow button right now, chat, if you're new. Smack that follow right now.
This is like taking candy from a baby.
Spam the drips on my mama. Spam the drip emojis right now, chat. Spam the drip emojis right now. Do
this is like taking candy from a baby, chat.
Bro, you're lucky we're just waking up, bro. I'm missing speeds and shit. I'm missing 7 rows speeds with all my people. They're not, I need them paying attention. So now that they're locked in, we're going to make sure it doesn't happen again. And guess what? You're going to feel some type of way when I come back after this game and
after
beat you
this ass whooping, yeah. Speak it like it is.
Bro, this one. You almost said that. I almost said it. I almost said it. Like, nigga really almost got my eye. Like, bro. Like, nigga need a uni right now, chat. I need a uni. Can I get a uni, please?
You need a unicorn.
I got a haircut, chat. Can I get a uni? Fuck. We was having a uni party yesterday, chat. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit felt like my birthday. W, goodness and mercy. Beautiful vibes, outrageously. Mara,
you
Lisa,
never get a uni, bro. Why you lying?
Momsky, Rose, funny mop clips, Amber. We're not starting the game until I see somebody MVP somebody. I need to see us MVP somebody, chat.
Thank you so
MVP
much,
somebody.
mommy.
Thank you, your mommy.
Latte, big up yourself.
Thank you, your mommy.
Areas, ray of sunshine.
MVP the whole top 10. Look, do it like Rose. I like Rose. Rose is quick. She thinks quick and eats. She's like MVP top 10.
Lati get her gloves. Maki mommy have her gloves. Lina Nikki have her gloves.
Yo, you know what I forgot I had? I didn't.
Yo, nobody knows
Look at
me
this shit.
silly. What is silly?
I have Patrick's swim trunks. But I definitely weigh like 25 pounds more than when I got these. So I definitely need like a new size.
Damn, I'm saying it's too small.
They'll fit my little cousin. I like them short. I don't mind the short. Yeah. It's just the waist. Yeah. The waist is gonna be like, you feel me? I don't mind short. I like Gucci Daddy shorts.
The waist is
Cause I like my shits like boxers. Alright, let's go. This time my chat's locked in, dude. I got a stepper in here. They just walked in here. They said they're gonna throw me a line. Let's go. I'm getting a line this game. Let's go.
Mind you make me get the line. Double. Alright, use that double.
Alright, the third one, nice.
People can use the first double of the please and thanks my chat. Can use the first double of the ladies please and thanks.
I need some slides, bro. Doubles, shot doubles! Kelly!
37 in a ranking, no climbing team. You can use up that double here, please and thanks. Use up that double here, please and thanks.
I love it.
Use up that double here, please and thanks. Use up that double here.
D1!
Use up that double here, use up that double here, my team. Thank you.
Goodness, thank you so much. D1, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, D1. Goodness and mercy, beautiful vibes, Kelly. Well, the good thing is they got all the
What's up the life?
that sell their own brand. You feel me? Yo, I'm gonna whoop you. You see, I told you that 6 pieces is gonna be mine. Tables could turn. My chat's locked in. We're dropping roses. We're dropping donuts. We're dropping Go Pops. Akeem, the fuck. JC, thank you. Thank y'all so much.
You should, with those little ass gifts, bro, you should go do what Pinky's doing. Roses smell so good.
No,
Yeah.
crazy as fuck.
Should be do a.
Don't ever try Pinky like that. Beautiful vibes. Thank you, beautiful vibes. He wants me to be a fucking NPC. Do y'all hear him? He's trying me like I'm not ranked. Like we ain't having motion every day. Like I'm a fucking NPC. Do I look like an ice cream so good to you?
That's what I'm trying to say, bro.
That's fucked up, for real. Chat, I'm not an NPC. Show him why we're not an NPC. Get the speed. Do not snipe the speed. Do not snipe it. Even my mom was sniping the speed at the last second, throwing roses. Like, beautiful vibes. Thank you. Everybody was sniping it. I love that little parrot gift. Wait, I need to see that again. I need to observe that better. That was actually a nice gift. That was actually a nice gift. Five more people, chat. 5 people. We have 1 minute. If we don't get 7 roses in 1 minute, chat, I'm literally gonna fucking.
Thank you, my team. Thank you.
I'm deactivating. Pookie, thank you. Beautiful vibes. Thank you. Rose, thank you. Let's go. Missy, thank you. Shout out to everyone that's doing multiple roses, chat. I know it's hard because it's like it doesn't want it. I wish it was like that. I would just drop multiple. Paige, thank you. Pookie, Rose, thank you to all amazing 7 queens that did that. And if you didn't do it, hopefully next week we can have you join us. Double shot, double shot.
Nadine, big up.
Double shot, doubles.
Doubles, use it double, use it double, use it double, my team.
Doubles!
Use it double.
Doubles! Hey! 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 Oh God! All right, now use it! Sir, we got the speed. Now we gotta use the motherfucker! D1! Use it! Use it, chat. Use it. Don't be scared. Yo, wait a minute. Besides us losing, I'm very proud of our Heartme's. We have 1.2K.
switch pan, you know. How much your phone there? One boy team, I know say. Sorry about
So we
that.
bring the we are going to do them. You bring the charger. Or you are going.
Go and charge the phone there. The phone them really go live on. I have to use my backup phone, my team. Sorry about that, my ladies. I have to use my backup phone. Let's see where it's going with. Power tap your live, them ladies. Everybody who there, maybe gonna repost the live, tap up his screen. Boy, team have a good match a while ago and Dash was star. One good match a while ago, my team, and Dash too. Much you gone for the ranks, my team. Power tap your life, my ladies. Everybody who there, power tap your life. If you can share up your life if you may, please and thanks. Clean off the back of the sweatshirt, the camera. Power tap your live, them ladies. Everybody who just join the live, me big no some power tap up on the screen. If you can go ahead and share up your live, them team, I really appreciate of that. Is it? Power tap your live, them team. Don't forget the phone.
Yeah. Power tap your live, them team. Jaja City, Jaja. Now we living in a cowboy town, yeah. But what up your life, them a team? But what up your life? different thing on the stream. Believe me. We want to start do some different thing on the stream, like what's in the box, all of them little thing there. Come out with some nice entertainment for my ladies them. So we can laugh, so we can hold a vibe, so we can, you see what I say? Believe me. We want to hold them kind of vibe the power life. You see it? You don't know my style already. Can't bother with the little cussing mix up thing. You see what I say to him? We just want to push and do what we have to do. You see what I say? Because I reason with my dog, you know. And when my dog look for me and tell me, he say, Akim, you have potential. Pause that, my dog. He might tell me, say, bro, you have potential for do so much things. That's what I say. You have potential for do so much things. And what you do, people always visualize it. Meaning, like, say, people always tune in and all of them things there. The dog show me, say, Akim, don't stuck yourself on one level. Yes, what I say, always aim for always aim for greatness. Always aim for the sky, bro. You see, don't stuck your head one place charging. Branch off and do other things. The dog all tell me, say, bro, get me a camera so I can start vlogging and make you do YouTube and all of them things there. You see, so when I'm looking at them things, that means say, shit. Real thing. Yes, what I say, a real thing, because me as a man, I can vlog. I can vlog. You see it? Me a Artwell. Me there up at Artwell. I go link Artwell because I'm a virgin. I link Artwell and me and the dog see them up there. And the dog a show me some vibe. Man I say, dog, you see all them time when you're there and you pull up on me and you look at thing there. Have your camera out. We are reason, have your camera out. Yes, what I say, we are stream, we are do some different thing. The art, what would I say? The authenticity. You know, once I said that word wrong, you know, authenticity. If me I say it wrong, correct me. Yes, what I say, and that the people them gravitate to and love. The insight, the whole Jamaica life. Can go some river and do some little thing, and you see it, and I really look on it and I say, yo, Jano Star, them have some good idea, you know. Them have some real good idea. I don't want to be known as the man who just sit down in a streaming room at Taps and Roses. That's why you know always see me take up Rose and me and I go some places to streaming. We try to do some different things. That's what I say. And that's where the corrupt mind come in, you know. Some people just sit down and then chat a bag of fuckery and them little thing, and then they say to themselves, say, so how me now be good, successful like Akim and successful like Rose? And I realize, say, yo, you know, say, groundwork we put in, we go in the street, we do this, we do that, a whole heap of thing we do, you know, whole heap of good deed we do, you know, people, and them should be right and direct, you know. All Rose where you see, you know, whole heap of good deed that be they do, you know, and they should be right and direct, you know. Because people kind of realize, say, yo, controversy sells. You see, it's anywhere there's drama, there's views, because people are, bad people always want to hear people business, you know. People always want to hear people business. So, it come with that. But, you see, if we can come together and set a farm, we like to say, our entertainment we are do. Back when Swiss and World Dog and them used to do it, we are entertaining with people, and people love them, and people them love Abel, the people they love. Who else did they on top? That them and the whole heap of man, C and Lee, whole heap of people, Maya them, whole heap of people. So everybody did Roger, everybody did kind of have their favorite. Yes, when me I say, when Jaden and Fabia do for them thing, everybody did kind of have their little favorite, and everybody are entertain and all of them thing. That whole mix up thing, it kind of fuck up the whole thing, you know. Me see one error when me and Rose come and change the whole mix up game when everybody did actually tune in for me and Rose, and me and Rose I do the whole
enough segment of everything and them thing there. And it liquid all mix up, all when you mix up them a come there, it just liquid all mix up. And then it come like say season for mix up start. And then this a person a start chat this. It just, you see what me I say? Me could bring back it up to niceness, bro. Me could bring back a place to niceness so everybody can have a joy. You see what me I say? Because you see when them negativity they are going. You know, I go see say yo, certain people left from around phone section and the kind them a flow right. They just alone in one place. I remember when the ranking did hard for fight for. You have all 10, 20 people that compete against. Okay, everybody have them team, everybody have do entertainment on their life. Everybody have them team, everybody have fight for them up there. The fight not up there again, bro. That's what I say. And we need for hungry. We have to understand so we need for hungry. You know what Rose teach me say? Believe me, Rose teach me say, yo, youth, all if you're rich like one money a jar your pocket, work like you not have nothing. Work like you don't have nothing. We not have that hunger there and that urge. Yeah? That's why I love that the girl, you know. You fuck. Work like you not have nothing. The hunger not really dead there again. Yes, what me I say, and I see him so with the ball of them even in Jamaica. Why you think we can go World Cup, bro? It's like the man them get too comfortable, them start play for your one side and them think that the money start coming in. So the hunger, who this, bro? So the hunger not dead like how it now. The hunger not dead like how it now. Baby, dog, believe me, bro.
Lucky one more. Steady bad.
So them not hungry for what them want. We are dealing.
What's poppin'? I come ask if you're alright. Oh yeah.
No, say ta come on, Nick. Ta come on, no, Nick. Believe me. My day I saw. Still I take my little I drop them and them little thing there. But it I get better and better. By days go by still. Is what I say.
Make sure you not strain it though.
Why? I try not to.
Alright.
Yeah,
reason.
What you do? You running one or two?
Can't play one. Just come on, you know, me not smoke. Can't put, you know, me come over here, me have to smoke, you know. Your people is terrible. No, me not smoke no for you. Me just pick it live and see. I say me I can check on you. I'm I want.
Sister, I really appreciate that one, but sis man. Alright, so we have a first double in our team. What we can do with it?
Drinks what, man? Guys, we don't know if me not even know if me have a money gun right now. I might big up yourself. Tight to right to futures racers, tight to all. Yeah. Royalty, guys, power top.
Use up that double. Use up that first double.
Pretty.
Use up that first
guys,
double.
Double chat. Come on, guys.
Just only follow up use up that first double. Use that first double at the chat.
We sure to live. Sure, we have to do one with Akram go below.
Use the first double. Use the first double.
Blessing just a flow. Thank you. Mwah.
Use the first double of them.
Guys, double. Guys, you know about money gonna Galaxy K. Yeah, mama, need
use the first double of them. Please and taps.
I'm about to share. Some boy na.
Okay, you know.
Gallery with a star for you.
Use up the first double of them.
Guys, what we are do share out to live.
I just
we'll build up we remember.
Thank you, my ladies for the honors. Yeah.
Loving blessed.
Thank you, my ladies for the honors. Them Majestic Touch. Thank you so much.
Jenna, pick up yourself.
I think we have another double now. We can put a gloves for another double, ladies. You remember Nikki come over here, come throw 7 lion for me in a team. Me no want to forget. And take about 20 and nuggets see me.
Guys, you know, help National, big up, thanks for joining. 4 rows, we tell us to just come on, you know. 4 rows, guys.
We're not spear.
Nobody there now. 4 rows. He's forever, thank you, boo. 3 more, my babies. Everybody we are top, big up on yourself. I highly appreciate, you know. Tappers them, big up. Sexy chocolate, how you doing, baby? 3 rows, rose me. Guys, 3 flowers. Guys, you know, take your rose them off on the clit and send them to the live. 3 rose. We just have the rose them on the draw. I want to send them on the live, man.
Power tap live, the team. Power tap live there.
Guys, rose.
Repost the live team. We can do something on the double.
2 more, guys. 2 rose. Jesus Christ, I'm just gonna lose my first match just so. Miss B, thank you, BB. One more. Anybody? Guys, 1 more rose.
Thank you.
It's for everybody. Yeah, big one. Guys, one more. Baby check the truth earth. Who can take it off his flirt? Guys, come on, make we get 1, 2 galaxy. Nobody have no way. Blessing just a float. Thank you.
Alright,
don't
use a
I
double.
appreciate
Use
it.
a double.
Make we work on the double.
Use the double. If you can throw a glove on it, throw a glove on it. Thank you, you know.
Galaxy. We can't up on 900. You can't keep up. Double chat. Guys, should be score.
Thank you for your money, gonna hold that.
Guys, double.
Thank you. Use it. Gorgeous, thank you.
Guys, we have a post. The things are flow. Like, I guess not follow on the name, man.
Use up the gloves. Use the gloves.
Follow this and follow back all I know.
Use the gloves, my lady.
Guys, 16K that power 8, guys. Double chat.
Thank you so much. Thank you, mama. Use up the gloves. Use the gloves. Use the gloves. Use the gloves, Steve. Use the gloves. Use the gloves, my team. Thank you, my lady. Here it is.
Thank you, baby.
You better put that woman first.
I'm gonna be able to late. Save one more that to the next game. I play one other game. Save it for next game. 23. Go and recharge it from now. True church, you know me did I use recharge. I have to use recharge or maybe I'm busy. You go inbox there and I have to teach you if I'm not. But the app you use, it's more expensive.
Thank you so much.
So because I give them hours I come late, I feel like I have to use. I want 2 of that next game. Yeah, man, go inbox. See me, I go inbox and check it.
Jump off 2 o'clock and do some business to take care of on the road.
But just the next game, I just see the triple start, shut off to and then another triple anything else you want, yeah? Thank you so much. I want wheel. We can't get a wheel on the first triple. Double thing, say them a beat. You guys share the life. Everybody with there, big up for the nice tight right stuff. Truth earth, thank you, baby. Top tier, Anne Marie, Dada, use a pineapple, unknown, Cynthia, big voice, sir.
Alright, we're almost at top 20.
Alright, them window one now.
Give me one more, Nicky.
Nuggets, a 7 nuggets. What did you like this, dear? What did the nuggets, them guys? Yeah, man, Akim, no problem. Come, let's go.
From that moment on,
I need your help. We are trying to take 7 nuggets. Come.
Well, I'm thank my people.
I'm going to make Akim big people them. Alright,
thank you, you know. Roy, thank you, you know. Majestic touch, thank you, you know. Man upset a whole heap of love, you know. In living, whole heap of love, you know. Clippings. Thank you, you know, but sister. Everybody who come out can support
you. Big big up yourself. Guys, we are playing first to 3. First to 3, Akim.
Yeah, man, we can do that, yes.
The plug, thank you for joining my live. Can you help me take these 8 nuggets, please?
Alright, first triple
Can you help me take these 8 nuggets, plug? Unforgettable TK, big up yourself. Guys, we can't.
Use that triple on my team.
When I came, we just come on, but nobody make look so bad. The plug booty, thank you so much. Miguel J.A., big up. What's that? Guys, first,
use that triple
on. You first give triple, shoot earth, see that shoot earth.
Thank you so much.
Triple chat. Guys, enjoy playing in our head. Somebody can make no interstellar upon the next triple. At least the score don't look bad. Come on, my side. I change the name, I never say. Come and say, reach up against something I can't beg you one. I'm party on and on.
Man upset that thank you,
Please. I want interstellar. We don't live so.
Man upset that. Man market.
It is a camera with a picture. Sure. We get something, man. Anything. I could have one wheel, one pull.
Alright, so we have a double A on the team.
Guys, come on. We not 2 lion chat.
No.
Akim, you plan for me, Akim. You plan for me. You plan for me.
Don't ramp with me. Are you come drop lion for my head?
Look how long
Your market. Lorna Nikki. Thank you, Mumsy.
Guys, two Anna. Catch your speed, guys. We have 2 Hannahs. Come on, my babies. Catch your speed. Catch your speed. At first, the 3 guys. We have 1 more. Lord Jesus. We can't even win 1 out of the 3 game. 77 Express. Thank you, Mr. Careful. Come on, guys. 2 Anna. Catch your speed. 3 thirds. Send no money gonna want the galaxy. Guys, catch your speed. 20 seconds. We now 2 Anna. Push money. Big up Mr. Christine. Guys, wanna catch your speed now? Can't believe it. Pretty brownie, the sexy chocolate. I give them a plan for it. Me blood it.
I'm willing to do anything.
What up, life, my team? Alright, team, see double. Can you use double?
Can you use a double? We can't make it in 3 games one straight. We have to recharge now and try with the next game. We can't make it in 3 games one straight. This is not a good idea, yeah.
Use a double, use a double.
I drop on the edge, so. Guys, share out to life, guys. Just come see if you can get somebody to come help with chat.
Thank you, mommy.
Come on, guys. Next game, we could try put up a fight, guys. We could just go and put up and share out to life. So them the far now. Everybody taps and share out to life, guys. Tap, and share. Everybody with their big up.
Thank you, my team. Thank you so much.
Cynthia, D, the truth hurts. You see that just I'm gonna follow my number 1 and 2. Thank you. Follow the truth earth and preacher. So I'm gonna see the plug. So I'm gonna see.
Oh, what up, like? Use it double, use it double.
Tick map, sachet.
All I need is you, baby.
Guys, me need help. Ministry, what's up? Keep tapping me, baby. Keep tapping. Me need help. Hey, Shy, thanks for joining my boo. I need some help next game for True. West Bank. I need to Galaxy next game. We can't make Akim win a 3 game then pan straight. We're gonna some help. Guys, gonna share out to live now, man.
One money gun and Anna. Yeah, my team. I want money gun, thank you.
Miss Anonymous, big up my baby.
That is it, thank you, my team.
Get my man last game after this. No go with me, baby. No go with me. Guys, 3K, guys, 112K.
Thank you so much.
Guys, who know about make we lose that one, yeah? I lost one, guys. Please. First 3 guys, and him win 2 games. We must can trap something, guys.
Hey, Marky.
You know, make we go home.
Thank you so much. Manu Seka. Roll. Thank you. Monday, my Nadi, only for loving us, mommy. Nisha, bless you, sister. Alana, only for loving us. Ready. Last one this team, make a wrap up it. Alright, go wrap up the last one.
Guys, somebody can surprise me.
Make a wrap up the last one, I'm
man, always winning, biggest one. Guys, come on, our baby's first gift triple. What is I go sit down and take it?
Wrap up that triple.
Guys, triple chat.
Wrap up the last triple. We'll wrap up the last triple.
Guys, triple.
We'll wrap up the last triple, my ladies. Make us come together and wrap up the last triple.
Everybody there. First match, them all coming out.
Wrap up the last triple.
Guys, triple chat whenever we are.
Flavor mommy, holy follow. Sniper triple.
Alright, just call it a last then. What am I drop miss for?
Music. 6 holy follow.
Guys, you can't believe so they just sit down and make this happen to me. Not on my side. This don't look good like we have to go restart. Chat, what is going on? I can come like in plan for me. I'm glad me sending me.
You don't want to waste the missing at the match, I'm team. You want some killer man. Alright, get that double. One drop a missing at some killer man.
West Bank, thank you. At least I wouldn't look like idiots over here. Wait, make me catch a speed, West. Thank you so much, my baby. Guys, catch a speed, chat. Catch a speed. I wanna have a push chat. 4 rows. Everybody saying a rose. Rose. 4 rows chat. Guys, 4 rows. Alright. Get me here. Guys, 4 rows. Let's start off with. Thank you. 3 more, guys. Rose. Guys, so much people over here look for me and not help me. I table Rose. No man. All the fresh fish again. I see him. Everybody could make a more cleaner. You're a terrible boy. Thank you, John. 2 more. Quick. One more. Thank you.
So much.
Terrible duo. Send a heart me rings and John. Send a heart me. Thank you so much.
Use the double. Use the double. I'm for put the shots in there, but you bossy.
I give myself 24 hours and one Ibotta subscription to build an entire brand campaign. And honestly, I'm actually pretty proud of this one. So I challenged myself to create literally everything using only Ibotta tools and assets. Fun.
Thank you, baby.
Go double.
Okay. AI generated visual.
Go double. Thank you, my ladies.
Literally the whole
Go double, my team. Go double.
Thank
you.
A million
Alicia, thanks for joining. Subscribe. Big up
everything in one place. Genuinely made the process way faster.
Go on with no.
Honestly, the amount that you get in one subscription is
Go on with nothing short.
Sexy Rika, thank you, sister. Holy love, you know.
Them mama kill me.
You don't know them song, yeah, my girl.
Them a murder me. Who don't know them song? I keep me a big woman fear, you know. You sing it.
Very last time. I want you my. These are my groove, Nikki.
Me too.
These are my groove. Ask her was something. When me ask her was Nikki. Who can sex you like me? Who can read you like me? Yes, I told you. Nobody,
baby.
Who can do like me? What can be like me, ladies?
Guys, we get one money gonna have big up Ash, big up baby. Let's see the update.
Thank you so much, my ladies. Thank you so
I'm
much.
coming back here. I'm coming back here later.
Holy for love, you know. Favor, my mother, thank you, you know. Here he is. Holy for love, you know. Deborah, thank you, mommy. Lorna and Nikki.
Later.
Majestic coach, thank you.
Yes.
My holy for love, eh?
I shall come for you later. No worry yourself.
Hold on. I not hear what you say.
I'm coming back for you later. Yeah, first
Circle
I'm
grum,
play.
man. I hold your jelly and open it properly for you.
Huh?
Circle grum, make me hold your jelly and open it properly for you.
Alright, don't worry yourself when I come. I hope you have big talk.
Alright then, but sis, take care of yourself, you know.
Yeah, my
Big up
brother,
to your
later.
mom too.
Alright.
Part of your life, them, my team. Everybody who just joined the live, yeah. Me I beg on some power tap there if you can repost the live. If you can share up the live, me I beg on share up the live. Please. Power tap the live, them my team. Power tap the live. Everybody were over here repost the live. My team, well done. How much of that? We just want to go on the podium. I will left this. I come here to go up on the road.
6. I need 11.8K because
11.8K. How much the podium, the number 3?
Number 3, 143.6K.
Number 3? I can't report them. It's my left here 100K. How much more for 100K?
To the 90.1K.
So now 9K.
I need 11.8K to go on.
I will need 11.8K. That's it, my team. My ladies, we need 11.8K because we're going to run, we are far back in and we just want to catch on the road early. Do what we are do. And then I'm forward back. Alright, my team, we are begging on some power tap there now. Oh, so what we are start with? The Anna, them are we are start with the donut, them are the roses, them. We could start. We are do 2 minute water roses, then my team. We can do 2 minute water roses. We have do 2 minute water roses them. Some roses girlies them. We are begging on some roses. So I run 3 minute water roses. Alright, then we can come off. 220. 220 good. We are climb. 220 good. Alright then my team. So we have 12 minutes. 12? No man, we have 15 minutes. Team, come in. The couple locked in. Some roses girlies them. We are begging on some roses. Nothing else on enough is sending me. No! Shop! Big up yourself! Well, on the shop. Brought them up in a... We're so rich there, that's a shop. We're so rich. Well, on the shop. Thank you so much. My roses girlies them. We are begging on some roses. Even if I want much people there. Alright, we have 1.3K people over here. You say if you 1.3K can send me some roses, I will spam some roses. Enough that. Enough that, my team. Even 10 roses with 1,000, I would not 10K that. So everybody, if you can drop a rose to her, if you can come by rose them, we are begging some roses them. Alright then. 607, we are 207, we are stop with the rose them. As well I say 207, we are stop with the rose them. Just roses, my team. Everybody with roses, we are begging some roses there. Please and thanks. If you can repost the live on my people, tell my people them say we are begging some push. We are begging some push. You see it, my team? That is it in roses, roses my team, roses. Just roses my girls, just roses. Just roses my ladies, just roses, that is it. If we can come by roses them, just roses my ladies. Just roses my ladies, thank you so much. How much my phone is with you? My ladies, thank you so much. Alright then. My donut girlies then. We can get some donut what time now? 2:07. We are big on the donut them till 2:11. We are big on some donut till 2:11 my team. Me cook start spam some donut till 2:11 my team. Donuts my team, just donuts team. Make we do it in order, my team. We are begging on just donuts, no more roses. My donuts girlies them. If you don't have 1 donut, if you don't have 2 donut, any amount of donut you don't have. We'd appreciate if you can help me come by donut them because I push me there, I take time I try push. Me I beg on a support, me I beg on a push for the donut them. I can beg on some donut, please. Just donuts, my ladies. Everybody with over here, we are begging on some combo some donuts. If I even 1 donut to know have in a catalog, me I beg on them. So ladies, them they thank you. No more roses, my team. Donuts. No more roses, my team. Just donuts. Just, oh, this a combo some donut. Jesus Christ, a pure donut. Butter kiss. Bambona, thank you so much. No roses, my team, just donuts. My ladies, just donuts, me I beg you, please and thanks. Everybody, if we can come together and combo with donuts, then my ladies, me I beg you some donuts, please. Peng wife, Twiggy, my mother, whole heap of love, you know, my nice, clean mother. Man upset her, thank you. That is it, you know. Come in, my team. So somebody, a peng wife that, come with them. Team, donuts alone, donuts, my team. We can hold with the roses, them. Donuts, my team, donuts, my team. Just donuts, my team. Donuts, girly, them, we are begging us on donuts, my team. 1, 2, 3, any amount of donut, we are begging us on donut. My ladies, them just on donut. We are beg, that is it, you know, my team. See it there. If we can follow the pattern there, I'm begging us on donuts. Anybody? Tredy, thank you so much. Team, if we are begging us on combo or on donut there, please. I do son donut, me I beg my ladies, them team. Not no more than son donut. Not no more. 2 minutes left, my team. I beg on son donut, my team. Just son donut. 2 minutes left, my ladies. If you can beg on son donut after a donut at 9-11, you don't know, we Anna girlies them, we are going to step out. You see it? The donuts them, my team, we are begging on son donuts, please. If everybody can send me 1, 2, 3 donut, 4, 5, 6 donut, 7, 8, you know, we're not, Jesus Christ, come in, my team, please and thanks. Meanwhile, the ladies them will not send nothing, and the thugs them will not send nothing. On the top of my nose here, on the top of my nose there, please and thanks. We are begging on son donut in our chat, my ladies. Everybody, we are begging on son donut in our chat. Thank you so much. We are begging us on donut. None of my ladies them over here can combo 100 donut for me. Me have one of my ladies them over here can combo. What's one of my ladies them can combo 100 donut for me, please? Come in, my team. Donuts. Just donuts, my team. Just donuts. Just donuts, my team. Just donuts. Just donuts, my team. Just donuts, my team. Everybody over here, if we can beg on some donuts, we are begging on some donuts, my ladies. There, please and thank you. I know I want my girl in favorite thing, you know. I'm sure no woman them favorite thing over here because they build with love. They not like it. Them build with love. Here's what I say. Them build with love, ladies. Big as some anat. Big on some anat feed anat. Me no know they love anat over your bad. See they love anat over your bad. Then come ball 30. So you take it for joke. Thank you, my ladies. Ladies, we are begging you anat them. You know love it anat them, you know. 2:15 we are stopping anat them, my team. Just anat. 2:15 we are stopping anat them. 2:15 we are stopping anat them, my team. Just anat, my team. We don't want nothing else but anat, my team. Everybody, if we can come together, one anat, 1, 2 anat, 1, 3 anat, 1, 4 anat, 1, 5 then anat. Odete, whole heap of love, you know, Odete. That is it, you know. Whole heap of love, you know, just anat, my team. We don't want nothing else but anat, my ladies. Just anat, who this? Not whole heap of love, you know, favor, mommy, big up, you know. TT, that is it. I just anat, my girl, you love anat, bad. Then love anat, bad, my team. Just anat, my team. Just anat, me, I beg my ladies, them. Just anat, me don't know if this can put this, I can't show where I put them, you know. Anat, my ladies, just anat, my team, just anat, feed anat. Nothing else but anat, my ladies, just anat, my team. Just anat, my team, just anat. Everybody over here, we are begging to anat, my team. Everybody, we just join the live, who up on the far you, we are begging to some anat. We have 3 more minutes, my team, just anat. And then we have 2 minutes of money gone. And 1 minute of galaxy. And another minute of hour and kitten and interstellar. You see it? Just anat, my team, just anat. Anybody over here, we are begging on some anat. Please and thanks, make a combo. I'm telling you to say anat, girl. You see that? They love it, anat. Now anat, my ladies, they love. Andrea, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know, team. Repost my live and send my live to my supporter them, please. Queen Virgo. What's poppin'? True Virgo, man. Don't ramp with that, you know. Thank you so much. Team, we are begging us on Anna, the please and thanks. Just Anna alone, my ladies. Just Anna. That is it. Anna feed Anna. We can't show. Love can't too much in my ladies. And the love is so much over here, and that's what they hate us for, because we show one another love. Okay. Thank you so much, my team. Anna, my team. Anna, my ladies. Anna, my ladies. Just Anna, my team. Thank you so much. Visiting on my team. Sorry, my ladies. Just Anna, my team. Thank you so much, my ladies. Thank you so much. One more minute, what a Anna. Everybody, make us spam me Anna them, no please and thanks. My ladies, them, we can spam me Anna them, please. Just make us spam me Anna them, please and thanks. Just make us spam me Anna them, my team, please and thanks. We can use Anna catch them. We can use Anna catch them. We have 1 more minute to Anna, my team. We have 1 more minute to Anna. Make us spam me Anna them, my team, please and thanks. If we can send a 1, we can send a 2, we can send a 3. Make us spam me Anna them. Thank you, you know. But true Virgo. Craziness in my mother. Just Anna my team. Everybody with there. I just Anna me a beg on my ladies. Please and thanks. Just Anna me a beg my ladies. Then please and thanks. Thank you so much. Big up on yourself, you know, my ladies. Just Anna my team. Reach 215 yet? Alright, I can wait till the Anna then stop coming. When the Anna then stop coming, we start with the money gun them. Hear me, team? When the Anna then stop coming, we start with the money gun them. Thank you so much. When the Anna them stop coming, we start with the money gun them, my team. Much me there. Thank you so much. 24K on the tree. Alright, my people in my push me there. Team, no go and rifle and at them. No go and rifle and at them. No go and rifle and at them. Alright then, my team. Like we stop it and at them and go up and then we start back with the and at them for 3 more minutes. There? Why my team them a be and at them love and at, you know. Thank you for and at them, you know, my ladies. Thank you for Anna, them and my ladies. Eh? True Virgo. Woo! Thank you, my teams. Why, my ladies? How much love someone show me? Maybe I love one too, you know. Alone and nothing, Uncle Soji. Thank you, my team. Jesus Christ. Me allow them. Anna, just Anna, my team. Anna till 220. Anna till 220. Anna till 220, my team. Anything gonna say Allah. Anna till 220. We can do that? We can do that? You think we can do that, my team? You think we can do that, my team? Bumbo clot, I don't think I show them, I show we. I show them, I show we so G. No, sir. Bumbo clot. Thank you so much, my team. Happy Friday. Thank you so much, my team. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know my people, them say. I know my people, them say. A pure love. A pure love. I know my ladies, them say. Thank you, my ladies. I know my ladies, them say. one mil tops. That is it, you know. Thank you so much, my ladies. Thank you so much, my ladies. Just honor me team. Just honor. Just honor it. Just honor till 220. Just honor it. Just honor it. Just honor me team. Just honor. Just honor me team. Just honor me team. Just honor it. Just honor me ladies. Everybody over here just honor me team. Honor it and climb. Honor it and climb. Honor it and climb me team. Hands out and climb me ladies. Honor it and climb me ladies. Honor it and climb. Everybody over here if you can send a honor it, we'd appreciate it. You see it. 1, 2, 3, 4 if you can combo it. We'd appreciate love it, my team. We are begging you some honor the please and thanks. If you can share up your life for me, they please. We are begging you some honor them chat. Thank you. 9.7 for each up there. Team, I'ma cut it down, man. I'ma cut it down. I'ma cut it down. That is it, my team. That is it, my team. It a cut down. We are up on the board with the honor of them. We are reach on the board with the honor of them. Yo, my team, we are reach on the board with the honor of them, my team. Thank you so much. Use up the honor of them, my team. If you can spam some honor, then spam up the honor of them, please and thanks. If you can spam up the honor of them, spam up the honor of them, please and thanks. If you can spam up the honor of them, I could spam up the honor of them, please and thanks, my ladies. Spam up the honor of them, spam up the honor of them. Thank you so much, you know. Thank you so much, you know. We reach for the board yet, ladies. We reach for the board yet, my ladies. We reach for the board yet, my team. Thank you, you know, my team. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my ladies. Reach for the board yet? Reach for the board, Thank you, my team. Thank you, my team. Thank you, my team. Alright, something the 20 you know. Alright, we are begging you some money going, my team. We reach for the board yet? Thank you so much. Hold on, my team. We not reach on the board. We're close though, we're close. We're close, my team, we're close. We're close. We're close, my team. We're close, my team, we're close. We reach, Roger? Reach on the board?
No, I'm in the force here.
Alright, then we go. How much will you do? How much you want to go up on the board? We are coming to it, man. Alright then. Alright, we want 1.6k. Team, we reach on the board, we just honor it. We reach on the board.
Hold on, 7. No, 7.6.
7.6k.
Yeah. You need 4.
You sure?
Yeah.
This Bang wife, thank you so much. Blood, nah. Supposed to reach. We need 2.3K. For real? We need 2.3K now, my team. Team, we can start begging us some money gun, you know. We are begging us some money gun, my team. We are begging us some money gun, my ladies. We are begging us some money gun, my ladies. Please and thanks. We are begging us some money gun, my ladies. Please and thanks. Thank you for honor them so much, you know. Honor them at work still, you know. When my team myself, when my team myself, when my team myself. Thank you, my team. Thank you, my team. Thank you so much, my team. Alright, we reach team. Who this? Quality, thank you. We are begging for some money gun now, my team. We are begging for some money gun. We are begging for some money gun. Fuck it, 3 o'clock. We are push. We are push, my team. Make a push. We are push already, my team. Make a push.
Let me vertical life. Rosa, bro, how are you doing, bro?
So, I'm here, bro. What's poppin'?
Rosa, we are bad, the most powerful people in Albania. We leave you Shiva to you.
Mama, say let me vet life.
Even when you're the
Pope.
Pope.
Pash, kaj dalë parja marim lojë, shpejt mos ta ikët.
Brother,
Ajde ti, come on.
brother.
Like. Kuna matata. O mashtrus me 30 pikë. Eci pak me like.
Come in, go.
Ua që mashtrusi është me 600 pikë.
Very low.
Go. Use up this, use up that triple. Use up
No, say you very small, my friend. You small.
Me?
Ajde gifti par për
Yes. Oh, you guys are very smart.
No, Elio Gianni, kaloj ani qika për për tre.
Se bremstine me ketë, bëjtja Albasi.
Për tre.
Go, my team, go.
Ka 1 milion s'kam pas mundësime.
What they're saying, me
Për tre, për një lojë so Alban. Kanë me 9 pikë mua. Na turprut me rëpë shpira fishën. Po pse e futa Alban për s'ke kujt e Mirsati? Bëni qika të lajke së bëj lajke. Mirsat ka rigol dhe meri lojën Albanit. Ka shpo të sve. Se tani do për mund.
900 kë unë, 1.300.000 ki ma ka morë
Po mos lyp, po fol lojës, mos lyp.
900 kë unë, 1.300.000 ki ma ka morë
Ore foli lojës, mos rritu lyp foli lojës.
Hey, you guys are very small.
No!
You from Albania, but you're very broke.
I was 3 months pause.
A strat me cujt t'i kësh? Uqën!
Më që ditë të
You guys
kokën, mos vëllë
A strat me cujt t'i kësh?
broke?
Ka me ju degeneru, banin me që ka me ju thamë! Do t'ju degeneroj!
Shpresa.
Pisët e këshia! Aj ti shpresa ka
Bebe jona, silent. Ela, që në bëjë prik të vogël, se nana që në ka gifterin e të gafat.
Use that triple,
Vetëm ka prik të turpit për tre.
Use that triple, me team.
Ka marrë gifterin. Jemi shetë 20 veta, për tre.
Use the triple team, use the triple.
Alban, ta morë? O, Alban, dhe mos rande qeneroj.
Ecë për tre, shlojë për një dores.
Silent, të drejt.
Shlojë për një dores.
E, iqni pak nga pikët e të
Moni G, go pan e triple.
Për 5 për 3, për 5 për 3, është për 5. 2 pikë shkojt,
Go pan e triple.
Agroni.
go up on the triple, go up on the triple, go up on the triple, go up on the triple.
Landi, faleminderit. Bravo Landi, më nxorna pikë të turpit Landi. Bravo. Bravo drejt. Bravo se më kishin lënë si fakire gjunadina.
Kush janë këto femrat që vinë të pamoralshme, që vinë dhe kërkojnë gifte në emër të kësaj
Alban, po sharoje pastaj
Kush janë këto femrat që dojnë gifte në emër të
Ka gjeneruse, zua, Riberesh me femra tani çaba, mos merr me femra to
Mori, sa të më gjuhet dikush 100 pikë, direkt
ta nuk janë burra këta që rrit zjeri skridas, janë burra.
Mori po mban dam se po ma mashtron suportusin, ai po ik.
Po s'të mashtrohet, ai që është burr nuk mashtrohet.
Po thot po tani do vi kish thon. Ta fitoj një lojë.
Thuj balera ato, thuj dhe ti gjujnë, t'ja lejnë ato dhe ti gjujnë.
Nuk e jep, është mashtruese.
A se jep, po edhe ti mashtrusje. Po ti qa jep ti? Ti qa jep?
Un? Po ti qa jep?
Unë s'jap gjë, kam thënë. Se i bie dhe Albani?
Te dina se rapor me mu me luj.
I bie dhe ky?
Get the memo se jam.
Ajde i ki me stil sa... Që si bossy vi... Rosa, bye baby, they go, I don't know.
Okay, take care.
Take care, bye. We play another time.
Okay, no problem.
Bye, darling, bye.
For me and you.
Thank you so much, my teammates. And you're so cool.
Don't be afraid.
I know I'd feel done on my team.
Cause I'm right. I promise to give it to you.
Just the way you like. Oh, go.
And who can love you like me? Who can sex you like me?
Nobody who can make your
Nobody down.
nobody, baby.
And who can treat you like me?
Hey, later me have one blood clot story time phone or there. Yo,
Who can do you all my
wanna enjoy story time, don't me ladies?
baby?
Be honest, wanna enjoy story time, don't?
Keeps playing on.
I have a story time phone. I have a story time phone there. Hold on.
Nobody, baby.
Welcome Rose, how are you brother?
Why, bro? Yeah. Team, I gotta use the next phone. Me did have to plug it in, but because a while ago me take up the phone and it is 69. Can't work with them percentage left on my phone. I don't wait till it reach 70. You understand me? Yeah, we can't go work with that. Power tap your life, everything. Alright, then we're active, but no. Thank you so much, my team. We are begging you some power tap on the live there, please. Ladies, we are begging you some power tap on the live there, please and thanks. Everybody we're over here, me are begging you some power tap there in the screen, my ladies. If we can come together and flip in some power tap there in the live, it will be appreciated. Love the key. team. Power tap your live, my team. Power tap your live. Please and thanks, my ladies. Them. Everybody who dip on the live, me, I'm begging you some power tap there, nice screen. Please, we're going. The way you like. Where this I get a 9? Tap the light, my people. How much me there to one now?
If you're fast to accept,
When you get little smoke and want to destroy yourself.
No, I have no smoke with you and I can't find nobody.
I'm not here.
I have no smoke with you, I can't find nobody to play with and see. So you're fast to accept. I play one?
We play back a best at 3.
Alright, best out of 3, guys. Let's share out to live.
If I lost best at 3 before I go up on the road team, I go up
guys, best out of 3. Hey boys, mom, thanks for joining.
This is the last three series where I play like a bit. My hear me team?
Pretty Taz, thanks for joining, baby. Can I get some help? I could have even want an my baby. Make will work, guys. Every mickle make a muckle. Share out to live. First gift triple chat. First gift triple. See there. Red, one galaxy. You have a wheel? Triple chat.
Use that triple on my team.
We still stand.
The last
thanks
3
for joining,
series,
guys. Triple.
Before I come up. Use that triple.
Thank you, guys. Triple chat. Guys, come on, man.
Use the triple.
Triple up.
Use the triple.
Boys, man, biggest up, baby. Come on, baby strike. Baby.
Utilize them, baby. Thank you so much.
Guys, triple.
Thank you.
Blessings, big up. Guys, make sure we catch it at speed and send what we can send, okay?
We are big on a small push go up on the board, my team. I could utilize them game,
guys, power tap and share to live. Power tap. We just play Akram and Akram win the first 3, guys. We can't win at least one. Power tap. Yeah, my sister, I want to try win, sister. I want to try win Akeem 10 nuggets, guys. We can try. Every make a muck. We don't know if we have no gloves. If we have no gloves, guys, we're going to drop it on the double here. We need help. One rose chat. This one lady have 6 bucks in there. I can't remember her name. One rose, my babies. One rose chat. Thank you, my baby. Ashanti, thank you. Anything you can send on the speed start chat, you know, send it. We can try to see if we can take it 10 minutes, guys. Double.
Right, use up that double, them team. Use the double, my team. Use the double.
Thanks for joining. Welcome in. Anything you add, I appreciate it. Start time, please.
Use them game.
Could have money going. Guys, double, guys, double.
Use the double.
Come on, guys, double.
Use the double, my team.
Guys, come on, use up the double, no man.
Use the double, my team. Use the double, my team. Use the double.
Come on, chat. Use up the double, no man. Guys, double. Candy Boo, big up.
We are push.
Guys, double.
Use the double, my team. Use the double.
Candy Boo, thank you guys. Double. Galaxy something weird.
Use the double, my team. Use the double, my team.
Guys, double.
Use the double.
It's panka, guys.
Hey, mommy, thank you so much, you know.
Why would people then free? My blood.
Thank you so much. You never hear something they say, can't match up to a killer. I'm afraid of a killer, man.
Worry yourself. I saw another one a while ago. I couldn't say everybody run gun. Blood cleats. But a terrible boy, yeah. I would take down Akram multiple times, you know. But
that one time I get a one lucky win game and my people in there, I feel like say it will count. That don't count.
Worry yourself. Candy, thank you. Candy, welcome.
You know, say a regular day for you, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you, my team.
Wife Sashi,
thank you so much.
Pour it up. Tap. Donovan, big up. Jordan, thank you for the tap. Keep tapping, guys. Adata keep him. Black and bleaching. Come on, guys, we need help. Thank you, Candy. See you, buddy. Guys, them time is not it. Let me have to go wake up and come on early one morning. Oh, you wind your waist on. Keep a TK, guys. We need help. We share out to life. Candy, thank you, my baby. We obviously know we are only, you know. We are the prettiest girl in the dance. Better, you know. From above. Fall in love, don't wait for me. Just like that. Girl, wine. Before the better church. Your pussy fat. One Abby. Guys, in the pot up, they're gonna some share and share out to life, guys.
What up, like the million?
Turn me on. Alright, done. Come. I am blessed. Big up.
Forward, my team.
Candy Lady Richard. Islander Walton. Thanks for joining, baby. We need a little help, man, on a recharge up and come.
Favor, Lala.
Guys, first to 3.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my team.
Blessed and highly favored. Mwah. Big up, baby. Guys, we now have a money gonna Galaxy Bless OST. Make us some help. The first gift triple chat. Turn me on.
Alright, make we use up that triple.
Guys, triple chat. First gift triple chat.
Use up that triple game. We can use up them game, yeah.
Triple.
See if we can push up on the ranks, my ladies. You can use up that triple there, please.
Triple no chat, triple no.
Use that triple there, my team. Use the triple, my team. Use the triple, my ladies. Thank you so much. Use that triple, my team. Use that triple. Use the triple, my team.
Triple chat, triple, guys. Use the triple now, guys.
Use the triple, my team. Use the triple. Use up that triple there, my ladies. Use up that triple there. Thank you so much. Favor, thank you, mommy.
I have to go restart. It's not gonna work.
Power Tap Live, them, my team. Power Tap Live. Thank you,
Turn me on, turn me on.
Thank you, my mother.
Turn me on, turn me on. Which I like you, buddy. Guys, you know, make where I get beaten left, right, and center. I may have to come on from, come on back.
Alright, so we get a double here. Thank you, Matthew.
Two rose shot. Ren's big up one rose. Lady Pretty, Roseway. Ren's big up. One more. And I can't be without you, baby. One more rose, one more rose. Ren's, Rose, my baby. Ren's. Lady Pretty, Roseway. Guys, one more rose, 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 rose. RP4. Major.
Use up the
Some help, not for us. Welcoming. All help is appreciated. Chance, thank you.
Please, Anton.
Guys, double. Guys, we don't have a galaxy.
Team, we are making some help.
Guys, we don't have a galaxy. Our money gone.
Teamwork on that double.
Andre, big up. Come on, baby. Royalty, welcome. Beg some help if you can. Guys, begging on galaxy. They come on a chat.
Use up the double, use up the double, my ladies. Please, Anton.
Guys, we make it thing look too bad, man. One galaxy, our money gone out to everybody where they are.
Thank you, my team.
Guys, use the double fire.
Use the double.
Some help.
Two galaxy upon it or a wheel. We're going to two galaxy upon it or a wheel, my team.
Thank you, guys. Begging on money gone on one galaxy.
Dave, mommy, big up, you know. Can beg on one more galaxy team or a wheel.
It's gonna look like blink up.
Can beg on a galaxy or a wheel, my team. Thank you for honor them team. You know what I'm saying? Could have gone spam me honor them, my team. This is that to one. You go and spam me honor them millions.
Take it, Miss Biscuit, Rich Biscuit. Guys, begging on some taps or something. Not tourists can send them heart me, please, baby. Guys, for those who don't send them heart me, you can send in a heart me, please.
7.6K for go one.
Send in a heart me. Click the orange heart above my head, guys. Everybody send in a heart me. Thank you.
7.6K for go number one. You can cut down this 1-1 galaxy, please, and thanks. You can cut down this 1-1 galaxy, please, and thanks, my team.
Thanks for joining. Welcome in, guys.
You can cut down this 1-1 galaxy, please, team, or 1-1 money gun.
Big up, be good as big up. Guys, in the quarter and shirt alive.
Can beg on us on that, my team. Just beg on us on that, them, my team. 7.6K for each number one. Power Tap Live, my team. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much.
But my knees won't
a small push.
Guys, I'm not saying I never know get nobody not say.
We are big on a small push.
Lay my head on my pillow.
Can we gonna snipe? Can we gonna snipe your team?
Guys, we're gonna snipe.
It's the
I know we can't see any babies there. What is going on the app? Faith over, thank you, Faith. Guys, gonna recharge up, guys. Recharge up, please. Recharge up. 12 nuggets. Faith over fear daily. Thank you so much for your first.
Alright, to my last game.
Here to go anywhere else. I choose to give me. Thank you, and I'm gonna follow.
Everybody, we are gonna drop.
I go follow you.
I'm pushing live.
Follow with
number one. We try our best.
I'm gonna unfollow some people now. I am blessed. Highly favored. Big up. Everybody big up on yourself.
We are big on a small push.
Use sexy and everybody we are trying big on some subs, guys. Richard, we have a galaxy.
We are big on a push.
Money gone, big on something on the first triple chat.
First
gift triple. Let's go.
Come talk to my people.
When you come around each time and I see you.
We are beg everybody some help. They please and thanks.
And I'll
We are beg everybody a push and beg everybody some help.
Oh baby.
Use that triple. Use the first.
Guys, first give triple chat. Use the triple. Use the triple, guys. I could have even Anna Rose's money gone.
Use the first.
Guys, with everybody there. I get licked.
Team. We are begging us some help. If
everybody kick it off. Triple chat.
Begging us some help, teams. If everybody kick it off, my team. Moves is so much. Okay, my team. We are begging us some help. Push me team.
Welcome in.
Push and make a protect you.
Begging us some help, man.
If we can go and send some until speed come, I could do that.
Thanks for the follow, Eli or Rilla. I call it right. Guys, come on, man. What is going on?
2K, even 5K, my team.
Only a booby.
Go on easy, you know, further and later.
The new people, may I say. I know them are people here.
What
you like coffee music for man? Got to try.
I just wait for the speed for done, man.
Oh, Lady Pretty Rain, faith over fear. Killer.
Wanna get shy.
You. This bitch case. Guys, no. Richard Young. Lady Pretty.
See, what I feel like.
Come here first, big up yourself. Guys, imagine I don't know, I don't see nobody coming, you know, what is going on. None of my people them not on. Nobody not the panic app to come give me a strength, Lorian. Big up. Guys, man, guys, we need help. We need help. When you come around each time and I see you, and I see you. Actually, 2 Anats.
Alright, 2 Anats. My team for activate the speed. I beg my ladies.
Guys, we have 2 Anats. Renz, we have Anats. Joseph Anats. Sean Anats. Some donut, Mr. Hype, L'Oreal, boys, man. You know, our boys. Guys, 2 Anats, our money gone.
I'm begging on one more.
Guys, catch your speed now. Sister, thanks for joining. I wonder if I can catch your speed. 2 Anats. Original, welcome in. 2 Anats, guys, 2 Anats. Please catch your speed.
5K right there.
Thank you, guys. 2 Anats, our money gone. Catch your speed, you know. Catch it alright. You see 15K I'm afraid. I'm not afraid, you know.
With a double, yeah. We just have to go now push to go up on the board. We can recharge $110 or $120. My ladies them and come together and big another small pusher. Me that appreciate if we can use up
guys, the double. Tap pull for life. Welcome in.
Use the double team.
Guys, look for tap, share with the live. We need look at help. Nigel guys, tap and share the live. Everybody make a book on the buckle.
We need everybody participation. Thank you. We need everybody participation.
Guys, so don't really just sit down and look at me and help me.
Use up that double team.
Original half
use up that double team.
Half pins.
Latina,
feel like you want
use up the double team.
Miller. One she for come now.
Team can be going one of them jet there, one of them.
One what them
team are 2 more Galaxy team.
People they not like me. Be like if I drop in on my head. What me do now? What me ever do in a life? I could wait till I'm gone. Oh God. Oh my God. Simplicity. Big up.
Jesus Christ, nigga.
Say I'm going to hold you, see? Sash, what the lady name of Volpa Gloves to me? When she comes to gloves and try to win Akram one game. What's your name? Remember some could have follow yesterday. What's your name lately with the thirds? But I know. Jackie Chrissy, big up. I didn't know the player to play with. I mean, I get Bailey, I can't get a Anna, I can't get a Rose. Child of God, come again. You must get one look at help, you know. Yes, me know say I go remember her name, you know. Make sure you screenshot that a while ago. I came with me on 45.
Yeah, man.
You know screenshot nothing. Where?
No worry, man. It's there. Favor, thank you. Favor.
Man.
Mika! Holy heap of love, my ladies. I
just remember, so you know long me there try.
What was the last game? Look, girl, I will one more game that I play now.
Clack it, pan it, mack it, pan it, back it. Guys, we can't take your nuggets now.
What time now, bro?
Thank you so much for reaching your badness. One power tap.
Okay, I'm playing the last one.
That crystal. Guys, come on, we can't take it 30 nuggets.
Alright, we can use that triple player. Use that triple
First
player.
give triple chat, but me not see shit.
Taking 30, me never remember my team. Sorry about that.
Me not go see our Sash.
Use up that triple player there. You.
Me not go see our Sash. Guys, we not have a pussara playing. 30 nuggets.
Thank you so much.
Oh my, one and only thank you.
Thank you. Use up a triple, my team, and protect the nuggets them. Use up a triple and protect the nuggets
them. For the next triple. Marshall E. Hype, thanks for joining. Can you help me, please? Marshall, you get some help on another triple, my baby. We get 2 Galaxy or 2 puss. 1 puss or 2 wheel. Guys, I last game, we can't take the nuggets them. Last game, chat. Fat Combs, welcome in. Because some help, man. She now come and she have the gloves. The one and only never have no gloves, we can try something, you know.
Ladies. Thank you so much.
Again, but me can't see her to her, Sash. Demon.
No, if it's still the number one.
Sash, tell me, you have gloves, but you don't have no for put on it down. No, one and only. Oh, you send it so fast? I only say I have some for put on it. Should I wait on it triple?
Thank you so much, my team.
Oh my god.
Alright, 2 and a, ladies. 2 and a, my team.
Guys, 2 and a, 2 and a, 29K easy if you slap down and lift up mechanic. Why I'm safe at the one time we slap with this, you know? Better thank God. There's a pledge. Drop one more gloves for the triple, make us see what we can do. Every make a move.
Thank you so much, my ladies.
Come on, babies. Come on.
Alright, triple. Team, I could use up that triple.
Make us see what we can do, baby. Please, like last game. Drop one gloves. Drop one gloves, make us see what we can do. Fire you page. Help. They not give them more game off for them nuggets.
That a while ago, you know, me appreciate you.
Come on, guys, we have gloves, only. Boss for the money, thanks for joining, welcome in. Any help? Triple chat, use the triple in the chat.
Use the triple, my team, use the triple.
Prime, guys. Guys, you know, grab up my number 1, please. Thank you so much.
Use the triple, use the triple.
Nothing for we.
Use the triple, use the triple, use the triple.
Nothing, my babies.
Use the triple, my team. Use that triple there. Use that triple there, my team. Please and thanks. Thank you so much.
Get fucked. Nobody there for trying nothing.
Nikki, holy for love, you know.
Thank you, my sister, for one time. We'll go for them, you know.
I feel it in my hands. I feel it in my feet. I feel it all over me.
Yay!
And every lion.
Guys, we can't believe so we're
on them bumbo nuts. Move! That one that touched me to my ribs. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
I feel like crying. Guys, I can't believe so we're not try. We're not even try.
Somebody Pindy and somebody woman in the people, somebody auntie too. So maybe she tell me she a big woman, maybe somebody granny too.
You think like shit. What's my granny? Where? What's my granny? Why, guys? Me I tell you.
People
pitney, man.
Every time I get online, I take up that. Where ya? Make sure I don't post me now.
My girl, you have no money, man. That's it.
You then disrespect days, alright.
Hold on, the Nikki, you play?
I can't want to know.
That for sure you say.
Wrong time.
Come over here and ramp with me again. Cause you see when you do it, we are gonna give you one proper ass whooping and send you back home. You understand me?
Okay.
Nikki.
Rest if I shall hold you back here.
Nika! Pick up
Alright,
yourself.
later.
Nikki cute. Hold on there. Monday favor. Money G. Sexy Changis. Sexy Rika. Everybody. Lana, Nikki, gorgeous, everybody. Thank you. Nikki, big up yourself, my sister. Next time, same treatment.
Don't worry yourself. When you see me send a request again, I have to smoke me out. No, later.
Alright. Jesus Christ. Team, we're gonna wrap you up this until later. And forward back. I know I'm the number one now. You think so? Maybe. So, Jay, what you say to me, my you? Eh? No. But that is it.
No, say no.
You're not the number one yet.
No, Travis. No, say no.
How much in there?
2 ranking number 1. There must be number 1 and 2 ranking somewhere there must
Alright, we are
turn off them ranking.
alright, my ladies, we are circle back later about this. We are circle back later, my team. We are circle back later, my team. Yes, it. We'll give Selena one.
Hi!
Hey, Selena, what's up?
Where are you from, my friend?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica? You have 1,000 people in your chat? You're famous.
Maybe.
Maybe? Jamaica me crazy.
Jamaica make you crazy?
No, I'm just messing with you. I got jokes.
That is it. So what's up?
Would you like to run one?
Okay, we can play one.
When and done?
One and done. Cause I don't got no smoke, you know.
The man with 1,000 people doesn't have smoke? I find that hard to believe.
Well, it's just viewers.
You're making me already. Hi, Anthony.
I think they love me with their heart and not their pocket.
What? Someone in my chat said bumbaclat. I don't know what that means.
It's a friendly Jamaican word. Like when you meet your family members and some high-ranking people. Hey, bumbaclat.
Bumbaclat.
Yeah, team. What is triple?
Time 3.
Use that triple at them team. Use up that triple at them team. I could protect it now.
Oh, they got a 14 piece. Let's go. Hi, Jake.
Use up that triple. Use up that triple.
14 piece. You lied to us. He was lying to us. Nicholas, welcome in. You guys were in triples. Can we play on the triple?
Use the triple. Use the triple, my team.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Okay, this is what I used to get my 14 piece. These little points.
Hi, Nicholas.
So don't watch that. All right.
I'm coming for it.
Okay, it's easy to take. No more than 3K or 2K points. Take this shit.
Okay. I'm gonna come for it.
Okay. Team, power tap a live, repost a live, share up a live on triple this out.
Hi, Donuts.
Team, we have jokes.
You're Packer, are you setting me up for failure right now? Hi, Brandon. Jake, what are you up to today?
Gloves on a double. Mash up that 2 gloves.
Oh, gloves on the double. Gloves on the double. Terp, do you have gloves? I'm the problem. Do you have gloves? Maybe we could glove on the double. Can we get 4 roses in here, y'all? Perfect. We just need 4 roses, you guys. Thank you. We got 1, 2. We need 2 more from 2 different people, y'all. 2 different people.
Team, me collect team, my team.
Aw, thank you, Jake.
Guys,
2 more roses.
One the gloves them and
1 more rose, you guys.
One the gloves.
1 other person.
The gloves them and the miss. My team have to play smart and work smart.
1 more, you guys. 1 more. I don't know if anyone's awake in here. Save. Ingrid, welcome in. We need 1 more rose, you guys. Thank you, Ingrid. I appreciate you.
Come in.
Ingrid, welcome in, girl. How you doing, lovely? All right.
Gloves pan the double. Gloves pan the double.
Can we glove right now, you guys?
Gloves.
Put a glove down.
Gloves, my team. Gloves.
Someone put a glove.
Gloves, my team. Gloves.
Steve, welcome in.
Gloves, my team. Gloves, my team. Gloves. That is it, you know.
Herb, I see you.
Play upon the gloves. Play upon the gloves. Play upon the gloves. Play upon the gloves. Play upon the gloves.
Hi, Dee.
Anything that catch your gloves, catch your
No, we need gloves.
Play upon the gloves.
Not a stud hammer.
Play upon the gloves.
Here we
Play upon the
go. We
gloves.
got a
Play
glove.
upon the gloves. Play upon the gloves. Play upon the gloves. Play upon the gloves.
Can we play on this?
Play upon the gloves.
Play on this together.
Anything that catch your gloves,
We can come back from this very easily. Everything is ×5, you guys, basically, with the gloves.
You gloves double, gloves double, gloves double. Gloves double, gloves double.
Let's go. I'm the problem. Let's go. Oh, he's stressed.
Gloves double, gloves double,
I love
gloves double,
stressing them out. Oh my gosh.
Glove double,
Let's
gloves
freaking
double,
go.
gloves double.
I went. Wait. I'm the
Gloves
problem.
double,
Thank you. Wait, why didn't that hit the glove? Nicholas, welcome in. Oh crap. Do we have any more gloves? Nicholas, do you have any gloves? Terp, do you have any more gloves? I would say if we have any more gloves, let's do it at the last 30 seconds. Dang it, the diamond gun hit the stun. You're not.
Share up your life, let me team. Share up your life, the family, please. Alright, team, we can use up the gloves there. We can use up the gloves there, team. 10K should the team, 10K. Use up your gloves, use up your gloves, use up your gloves. You're gonna want a team snipe on this. Use the gloves, my team. Use the gloves, use the gloves, use the gloves. Team, if we can save the 14 nuggets, then we are big on some help. Use the gloves, my team. Use the gloves, use the gloves, use the gloves, team. Use the gloves, use the gloves. Shit, she could take them. Should we play that game, man? Thank you, my team. Shit. Team, we can big on our snipe. Team, we can use the gloves, my team. Use the gloves. Use the gloves, team. How much minute they on this? Use the gloves. Use the gloves, team. Thank you. Alright, see them I catch your gloves there. Snipe, team snipe. Team snipe. Thank you so much, team. Thank you so much. Team snipe. Yes!
Freaking much. You guys, we need some gloves in here. We need to get the gloves. That was fun.
Thank you.
You're mad now? Because it didn't hit on the glove? Hi, friend.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a follow, alright?
You want to go again?
No. I got a lot of streaks to lose. I gotta run, that's why. I'm coming off live now.
That's fair. Well, it was so lovely to meet you, and I followed you back.
Alright, then take.
No. Nobody no. But not said nothing go no. Not to look a bit enough and cheesy and stink and rank. I come like steel pad. You are your blood clot pitney them and your dirty grand pitney them. Why them you have to watch? I hope nobody not fuck them in a scheme. I thought you cast judgment for people pitney. Me know to all your cast judgment for everybody. Me know sinner take your grand pitney. Ask Christ, you know.
Thank you, my lady.
I'm born a Sivu Garden. Mutanisha. Me no sin. I'll take your 3 grand pity them and there's nothing you can do about it. Watch and you shall see. He might not take them now. But wait. You go see. Oh. Because I love bring down people. I love bring down people. And the Bible tells us the sins of the parents visit them first, second, fourth, fifth, and third, all type of generation. And when sin start to take your grandparents, you want to obey. If I want to obey them, obey you. On the give girl a break, on the relax yourself, pan girl. On always want to bring down girl. Whenever want to bring down girl. So sin have to take your 3 grandparents. Your 3 grandparents where they get sin, I go take them. Watch. Watch and you shall see. Me say anyone who no rise up against me ever soon crumble. And it not take too long. And I always come be back, girl, blood clad footstool. And the Bible say your enemy shall be a blood clad footstool. Muta me away pray for you, me kiss and hurry up. Come bow back, yes, sir. It's all Adrian. It's all Adrian. Me will live here about him. Me will live long enough to hear about him and him in out of bitter. Cause God not sleep. Cause so when me will do somebody else to do it. Watch and you shall see. It's all Jakes. No worry yourself. You're the next, you know worry yourself. You think me I come argue with you every day? You think me I come argue with you? Me I wait and me I wait. Me I wait pan fear don't fall because I must have to see it. And when God go beat you, Cheryl can't help you. Because remember God watch. And I'm working mischievous ways. And I'm sure, but I'm slow. That come man, don't worry. So the internet I find out how pedophile you are. No worry. Don't worry.
Well, yeah.
Because you know a pedophile on the blood clot blood and a soul got touch back people pick me and I know things that I'm to know. No worry. Me I tell them I must live long enough to hear it. I know where y'all will argument with me for. I say what I want to keep. We all argument with blood clot me for. I mean I'm blood clot trouble.
Baby girl. He said a little baby girl, Jaden. Jaden, we gotta do my review, yeah? Later. Later, Jaden, later. We talk later. Because we just love.
I want y'all know have now.
We don't want a friend from her. You don't know she wicked. Do what I want to know she wicked. We just leave she to fear time. She can't do better now. We know she wicked, we not trouble her. We know she stay, we not busy with her.
Are you for say it? Are you for say it? All on me. Are you for say it? All on me. Are you for say it? So what I'm darling, what I'm Rose?
We never say what?
Eh?
We never say what?
No, are you for sure she are wicked?
That wicked, you know that all of them are wicked, they like shut up a business and bring down people. You know, so them stay. You know it, we actually never say nothing, you know it. We're not busy with her. We don't want to do a review. She had to fear work, we had to feel our one. I beg to come for begging and them come for chat people.
Well, sometimes you know, Rose, but chat people, you know. Chat, porter. So, Rose, I just started live.
No.
We just start mine.
And?
You have to give me 10 minutes.
You know, but I beg.
Yeah, me I beg, but you have to give me 10 minutes.
Alright, line up, I'll play 2 or 6.
So you ready again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today Friday. Chat 10 minutes, so you come back 3:22.
Okay.
Chat. Hey, nobody tell me say you come back, you know.
Rose. Does I ever go and back my word?
Chat. Want some recharge, $1 $5, $1 $10, $1 $2. We are try play 2 or 6. I call it Avenue. Somebody text me in my inboxes, man. I say, the monitoring spirit, Father Nyamisha, come bubble. I'm gonna answer him. Because I look one back and forth every day upon the internet with the bag of chatting, I'm not depend that. I really depend that. No. Me not depend that. Me not depend that. We make to me pit me yet even more so when more come back in a bag of talk. Me case and done the house. Chat door by. Me case and do what you do. I eat what want you do. We don't in the bag of talking with a big man. If ever want to come over here with the bag of talking. Me just me in the bag of chatting with you, you know. Exactly, Penguin. Somebody don't in the bag of talking with you. Philip, me case and do what you do and get a pitney them in stay put. When them call me, I will send what I have to send. I mean, know this. Me not give a TikTok with you. Me not know about the bag of argument over TikTok with this man. Cause me not need it for beg one money gun. Me not need it for beg one money gun. Me not need your name for rank. I don't need you. Me not bag of talking. Me case and do what you do. Father God bless me so me can have a platform so you can live off cause you breed me. You know glad. You feel glad for that. Cause you is nobody. So me argue with the fire every day. Then him flip it and say you up. Say you're up. All sorts of who? Chat me go reach out and say we can't play too much with Jaden here, man. Me can't obsess over smart when me not even watch them live. That makes sense? Me can't obsess over smart when me not call and me not call and inquire what is keeping about them. That makes sense? Sure. Best you want me can't obsess over somebody when me not blood clot call. Me not look pan. When you obsess over a person, you can't keep them off of your blood clot mind. You da call them phone. How them not look by you? Me a call this man. You know long me not chat to this man. The last time this thinking man booked me and a ball with me and I tell me say more call me say don't call my phone a blood clot cause you're wicked and me no want no friend for you. You the people who are TikTok I same thing. Where you want to call me for? Me obsessed about who? Me want the house blood clot done so none of your family member them. Nah no boy. Draw long back your picnic clothes. I eat me that blood clot. I eat me never want happen in the first place. If someone don't know what me I say. Some will understand and some just don't call them wicked. A few understand like Bella and a few others. Me just want the house done for the pity them stay put. Because when a child is stayed put, you can see what is actually taking place with that child. When I'm all over the place and the county, you don't know nothing. So you can't say them in the house and man and them not come out. That me the one. So that what happened with her not supposed to happen. If me the get where me the one. Obsessed over who? Same like how you see. World Dog and Yannicka argue and I live as some Jax used to live. And when a man lives, so the sex feelings gone. Observe what I don't want. When him put him out on my breast, it not turn me and does make me feel awful. Who not talk about? What are you guys saying to me? Observe who? Mr. I hate when you not come type some foolishness, you see. I want to drink. Observe who? Who don't know me? I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna repeat this to the last time for the mascot. Them always come here, come type one bag of foolishness. And for the mascot, them would start to listen. It's so me there with my man. And me love my man, I don't cheat. Some baby father call me. Baby father is call me, no, but anyway, give me a minute. Baby father.
Beat the kids gonna put with your father.
No, yo. What is it? Me there on my work.
You okay?
Regardless of what you want to say, is a really good thing you do because enough people
We do things.
Me have a time when me just get that.
We don't want
Send a wheel. Listen to me. Nobody, you see, if you not coming on my DM, but no one help, I go beg on the pum pum. You see, and if you don't want help me, help you, me not help you. I am going to beg you pum pum, and then I help you after. But see, if you're not plan, if you give me no pum pum, don't come in the rascal inbox and beg me. Because me want help with my own too.
What up, chat? Chat your recharge team. Where me buy?
Olive Rosalie come to my inbox, but she want help. She have to go give me the pum pum.
Oh.
No, but that's what I say.
Me used to go around before everybody else. We never say that way there yet. So now come mix me up now.
So Rosalie don't see me as a local brother.
That's it. When they really love.
Did? So I love me no more?
It take a time to come back. Fully.
Oh, so you did it?
We not here till you can't be trusted. You know that. You know me know that. But I gradually, me not let my guard down because I know you're wicked, but...
What mean me wicked?
Come around.
What mean me wicked?
The wicked.
Oh, me wicked? I saw the wicked.
Hey, not. Stop. You want it for me. Stop. You don't want it for me.
Me not do it.
Don't do it, please. I beg you, do me can't bother. You don't want it just so.
Rose, me know, is an inside joke. No, but me sure it says an inside joke. Me know what you are talking about.
The people that know them are talking about too. Why you say they know them eat that? They better with it just so.
Okay.
Who him a talk chat? Who him a talk chat? Who him a talk?
Bro, just load up now a joke.
Okay. You chat go type it. Left that, cause me can't take that just so now.
No low human name. Stop calling human name.
What is this, man? But here now. Hey! Huh?
It takes for them to answer.
Come here, my work.
How are you?
I say, hi, Jaden.
Shanta!
Yes.
What's up?
Yes, sir.
What's up, Shanta?
Where's the Jaden?
Shanta!
Yes.
You forget me?
No.
You good?
Yeah.
You can't buy stuff for me?
Buy what?
Me hungry.
You have to pay me.
Pay for buy food?
Yeah, you have to pay me.
Shanta, where you are?
Oh, that's kind of access. Good.
You could have text me that.
No, I'm going to texting something.
Okay, you?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, obviously. Want your brother? Come here, Jaden, watch ya. I'm gonna show you all my data. No. Wait, no?
She have the gun in the back, she might shoot you with it. She have the gun in the back.
Lord God!
And the put them on the catch a man to shoot you. Hey, no.
Hey, Shanta, you mix up in a Shanta.
Me don't know where I get her from, you know. Oh,
big
God. Me said, Jesus Christ, let me see this morning. Me said, Jesus. Boy. Sometimes I tell me, I don't know where me get that little girl from. She have to be an alien. She have to be an alien. We put up some picture.
Have to be an alien picture.
No. My alien, go get one.
You know what I mean, Sir Rosalie?
Then I go get one picnic.
Top bang, Sir Rosalie, yeah?
I lie. Say everything active do.
Go play the 6 and so.
Alright, bang, so I go play 6.
Alright, but
yeah.
When I see me over here with Jaden do at these people, my name is not friend. I'm serious about it. When him and Jakes, the pan candidate, both sitting, him glad Jake let the big stinking girl. Him know that me not a friend. Not a friend from them. You know, so my circle small. Don't add them. You know if I add already. Don't add the people. You ever see me add him yet? You know I'm a bro from the panty that me not add them boy there. I want a friend from them the boy that charge you. You know who for add. Stop fuck up. Focus.
Come.
You know who for add. Stop fuck up. But the add liar. Make sure
come
chat.
6 now.
Cause bad to bad liar just love chat. But when I hear her, that's how she stay. Cause when truth did if talk, she will talk it out when she weak.